Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the updated steps on how to turn on sensitive content on the X app. If you've been looking for certain settings and can't find them, don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap, so you can customize your experience on X the way you want. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top corner. This will open up a menu where you can access all of your account options. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Inside here, you'll see a variety of different settings. For this tutorial, you want to focus on privacy and safety. Go ahead and tap that option. Within privacy and safety, you'll notice several categories that help you manage your account and what you see. The one you'll be looking for is Content You See. Tap on it, and this will take you to the controls for adjusting what shows up in your feed. Inside this section, look for the Sensitive Media option. Tap on Sensitive Media, and now you'll see different choices related to your preferences. At the top, you'll find Adult Content. Tap on that, and then select Show All. By doing this, you are allowing the app to display posts that may contain sensitive or adult material. This setting ensures that you won't miss out on content that has been flagged, but that you're comfortable viewing. Once you've turned this on, you're done. The setting will be saved automatically, so you can back out and continue using the app. From now on, sensitive content will show in your feed based on what you've selected. This quick adjustment is helpful if you want full control over what you see, rather than letting the app automatically filter things out for you. Just keep in mind, by enabling this setting, you're choosing to see all posts without restrictions. And that's it. You now know how to turn on sensitive content on the X app with the latest update.